Alrighty, y'all. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Welcome to WITV, Wingate Invest and Trade Vibes. So I wanted to go over one of my trades that I did take for the week of August 10th to August the 15th. This was GA, and it was in an uptrend. So I did want to take advantage of that. Currently, right now, I noticed that if you look, it finally broke a long time weekly resistance. That's now support. So you see all this interaction here, wicks here, things of that nature. It finally broke, and so now we're retesting this level. And so once I seen this, like I'm just paying attention to just the weekly interaction. We know exactly where we at. It definitely broke. You see, I feel like the Bulls is ready to step into the market. This is a huge candle. And then come around, it turned right back around to this area. So something is going on in this level, and we know it's a strong reaction just based off of the things in the past. Breaking it down to the daily, well, when Monday came around, it was just a doji, pretty much. And I don't trade on Sundays when the market starts. I just want to see what price does. Like I don't want to rush into a trade. Also here, this is prior to the week. This is when the week actually started, right? August 10th. Look at all this right here. So I did draw the demand zone. It is consolidating right here. Make sure I draw that. And I also drew a Fibonacci since it did break prior structure. So that way I can go ahead and track the next higher low and for it to complete this Fibonacci. Now, again, looking at the daily, always go back and forth between the two uh, or between multiple time frames, is what I'm trying to say. And even on Tuesday, you see it printed this and breaking it down to the 4 hour, I noticed that this is a strong swing point. You had a support here, it finally broke. Look at these candles. You want to pay attention to candles, man, and definitely market structure. To me, market structure is king. And, I'm seeing all this. I really wanted to pull back a little bit more, but it didn't. So I missed this trade here. And then coming around, let's see, Wednesday, no, Thursday is actually when I took this trade, small trade. So let's break it down a little bit, right? We see all this, right? It pulled back from this level, it respected. It came back and then it pulled back again, right? So if I'm seeing this on a 4 hour, usually I wake up around 5, 6 in the morning, right? Breaking that down, use time frame correlation. So sometimes I might go from I'm looking at higher time frames, but daily to the 1 hour, right? Or 4 hour to the 30 minute. So I do use time frame correlation. And so I want to break this down on a lower time frame. And everything is color coordinated for me to keep up in the market. So once that happened, actually I want to see the 1 hour, excuse me, y'all. Let's see. Boom, look at this candle. But then they printed this. It's a good thing to know your candlesticks because it tells you a story. So yes, I'm gonna go back down to the 30 minutes, see how I took advantage of this. So I drew a counter trend line. That way I can go ahead and track selling pressure. I draw a counter trend line to track selling pressure because my bias in this market is I was going to take buys for GL, right? So once I seen this here, I could have took advantage of this here, but I guess I took advantage of let me drop down to the 5 minute. This is another correlation. So 4 hour, 30 minute, and then 5 minutes so I could snipe the trade, get a more precise entry. It looked like I took it a little bit higher, which is fine. But here, really to be honest with you, I could have took it. You go back. Once I see this, because it's technically a pullback, right? All this is a pullback. 5 minute, I'm looking at price action, possibly a bullish engulfing something. So honestly, I would have took it right here. This candle right here. Yeah. Because if you see it here, 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 it broke. It pulled back and then it's finished. So this letting you know that buyers is in the market. And so I actually put a one lot on this thing. And I'm gonna be showing my win on that. I've got like 200, 230 something. Went for short pips, man. Like short, I'll be trying to get in and out the markets. The more that I grow my account, I will hold my trades a little bit more, put on more size. But I just want to work on certain things. And yeah, just wanted to show this trade. And yeah, you show the next trade. I'll see y'all in the next video going over X and G, how I almost could have lost that trade.